Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Check iOS is current and your battery is above 20% so updates won't interrupt. Next, gather SSID, password, and router admin credentials to make changes now. Put the phone briefly into airplane mode, then re-enable Wi-Fi to force a fresh network scan. This clears temporary radio conflicts. Once done, tap the correct SSID and enter the password carefully, because simple typos are a common cause of failed connections. Now dive into settings to resolve persistent issues. First, tap Wi-Fi, tap the info icon, choose Forget this network, then reconnect. This removes old credentials. If that fails across several networks, go to Settings General Reset Network Settings to wipe saved conflicts and VPN profiles. Also inspect your IP details under the network info. Ensure DHCP is active and the phone received an IP, subnet mask, and router gateway. Incorrect addressing explains many no-internet cases. Finish by addressing the router and collateral settings. Power cycle the router by unplugging for 30 seconds, then plug back in to clear its cache. Once it's stable, confirm firmware is up to date to fix compatibility bugs. Change DNS to a public resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8. 8 if pages are slow or fail. If problems persist, temporarily disable VPNs and configuration profiles on your iPhone to rule out routing overrides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.